This is the A6 Pro 2-DIN Android car navigation stereo, and it has to be one of the most packed full of features stereos on the market for this certain price range. It really is quite impressive. It's on the market for around £270, and some may say that's expensive, but for that price I'll let you know exactly what you're getting for your money. So in the box you get actually quite a bit. You get a power cable adapter and an ISO harness, a USB extension lead, a Wi-Fi antenna, microphone adapter, GPS antenna, installation brackets and screws, and also your front bracket with two sizes to fit mostly all radio cages. Unfortunately, you will need a radio cage and probably a radio antenna adapter. These two are linked in the description below, so take a look. What's great about this radio is it doesn't feel cheap at all. It has a nice weight to it and the button feedback is beyond perfect compared to some of the cheaper ones on the market. You have some seriously impressive features on here, and I'll just touch upon a few quickly now. It's got less than a 2 seconds boot up time, Bluetooth capabilities and hand-free, a beautiful high quality IP display with a fast and responsive Android OS operating system to support this even further. Not to mention, you also get fast charging from that USB extension lead, and you get a ton of accessories like dash cam and back camera just by simply plugging in. And like I said, that's only a few. I thought I'd touch quickly on installation because it isn't too hard, so I'll simply go through this. Like I said, you will need a cage and antenna adapter, but apart from that, it's rather simple. If you're lucky enough, the adapter provided in the box will allow for simple click and play. I have a Volkswagen Polo 2003, and for some reason the adapter provided was able to convert my traditional inputs into the ones needed, and you might find this is capable with your car as well, but you will need to check with your manufacturer. The other option, if you're more technical minded or get someone else to do it, is to cut and splice the cables together correctly and match them up to get the same effect, and that can be done with the alternative ISO lead. This is slightly more difficult, but it can be done if you know what you're doing, but I'd suggest sticking to an ISO adapter, and if the one provided is not good enough, you can find plenty online. Connect up everything. If you're planning on using that hands-free, hook up your microphone, and I'd suggest just tidying that look and run that cable around your car's trims. Two other things you will need to connect if you want to dabble into those features is the GPS module and the Wi-Fi dongle. These both need to be connected to take advantage of those features. So with these, you just simply connect to the back. Once all your wanted cables are connected, place the radio and cage into the dash unit and place on your front facing plate. This will allow for a clean and factory finish look. The standard radio interface is beyond simple to use, and it's a nice and polished look in terms of the ease of the interface, not to mention it's sleek and easy to save your favourite stations to your system. But I think the most important thing to take note of is it's not just a simple radio for your car. It's basically an all-in-one tablet computer unit because it has everything you need. Thanks to having connection to the Play Store, you have access to so much more. Anything you can think of really, from Facebook to mobile gaming, you can practically do anything. This has got dual band Wi-Fi, so you're able to connect to hotspots locally, sharing your mobile network over a tethering spot or Bluetooth. This will be a feature you will need to take advantage of if you want to get live updates in your maps and browse through the internet like YouTube and your Play Store. Like I said at the beginning of the video, there is so much you can do with this, and with that there are quite a few accessories you can get to assist this further. Plenty of adapters, reversing cameras, dash cams and much more, all available and compatible by the manufacturer. I'll link all these below. For $14.99 I got a steal with this Bluetooth diagnostics tool that can be paired with the radio itself. You can connect it up to your OBD socket and then connect it through the Bluetooth on your car radio. There is a pre-installed app called Talk, and on this app you're able to perform diagnostics on your car. It's just a perfect peace of mind to upkeep your car further. I'll link all the products in the description below. Let me know what you think. Till next time.